This has got to be one of my favourite dishes, winter dishes even. It's a nice broth, crispy cabbage, it's wholesome, it's healthy. You've got really nice, rich veal jus, it's got the cabbage flavour, reduced butter, garlic, shallots, all that. And then you've got the lovely Iberico pork. Together, pork and cabbage already go really nicely. It's very, very Moorish and it's perfect for winter. Let's just have a little go, give you some flavour profiles. Very rich, warming, hearty. It's a perfect broth for winter. Really healthy too.